Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss restrict views for security roles in Dataverse. So in this video, I will tell you how to restrict table view as for security role. For example, under the customer, this is account entity. So this account entity might have public views like active account, all account and so on. And that might be view also system view. But if you want to restrict a specific view as per the current login user security role, so how you can do that? First, navigate make.power apps, then select the solution from here, and then click on solution in which you are working on. Now click on account entity for which you want to restrict view, and then click on views from here. Now select that view you want to restrict. Now I want to restrict this active account view for the specific security role, so which is a public view. So I will select this and then click on view settings from here. So here I will select only that security role. Now if it is for everyone, so everyone can access this view. But if I will enable a specific security role which can access this view, that I can just select that specific roles and then click on save and publish from here. Because this feature is not available previously but recently it is available, so that you can use like main forms. You can also assign main forms to security role, like that views also can be restrict using security role. So in this video we covered restrict views for security role in Dataverse. Thanks for watching.